Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss the topic pericyclic reactions. Pericyclic reactions follow the concerted reaction pathway. That means in pericyclic reaction, bond formation or bond breaking are simultaneously occur. Firstly, concerted reaction pathway. Secondly, reaction proceed in a single step through non-polar transition state. Reaction proceed single step and non-polar transition state. There is no intermediate is possible. Reaction can be promoted by light as well as heat. Reaction promoted by light as well as heat. In pericyclic reaction, firstly I discussed electrocyclic reactions. The type of pericyclic arrangement where the net result is one pi bond being converted into one sigma bond, or vice versa. Example: in presence of light or heat, the 3 pi bond converted to 2 pi bond and extra 1 sigma bond there. So 1 pi bond being converted into 1 sigma bond. Last, the example: suppose in presence of light or Ag2, the product is trans isomers. In presence of heat, the product is cis isomer. Or or but is cis or trans isomer. Why it is cis or trans isomers possible? Because this formula can be determined according to Woodward-Hoffmann selection principle. The Woodward-Hoffmann selection principle or rules and tricks. Tricks is that 4n contha. What is this means? 4n pi system conrotatory at thermal condition, thermal or heat thermal condition. 4n pi disrotatory light condition or Ag. After 4n plus 2 pi system disrotatory thermal condition, conrotatory Ag condition. What is the conrotatory or disrotatory? Conrotatory is that suppose the system R H R. Suppose the terminal p orbital explain after conrotatory motion clockwise or anti-clockwise motion, clockwise, both clockwise or both anti-clockwise. Suppose clockwise motion, the product will be trans like. This is E, this is the E, both hydrogen opposite, E overall, E diene overall cis. So after conversion cis to trans through conrotatory or trans to cis conrotatory. This rotatory motion one the same side, another is opposite side, or this is the motion. Same example is there. Terminal p orbital after this rotatory motion the product will be changed. R H R H, the cis form. That means cis E overall cis converted to cis. So conclusion, cis converted to cis after this rotatory, trans converted to trans this rotatory, and cis converted to trans converted to cis after conrotatory. Now suppose example, same example in electrocyclic reaction. Starting we say in presence of light H nu, this is the 4n pi system. 4n pi in presence of H nu, this is the dis rotatory. So dis rotatory, this is hydrogen, this is the hydrogen. So E isomer, hydrogen Z isomer, E Z overall trans. The reactant trans. So this rotatory, after this rotatory product also same. This is the trans isomer or trans isomer. Same example, in presence of light, in presence of heat, trans 4n by system in presence of heat. This is a cone rotatory. Follow the Woodward-Hoffmann selection principle. I will early discuss. Then the product will be changed, trans converted to cis or cis. Cis isomers. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.